Welcome to Hit Wicket.
For the next fortnight, India will eat, drink, live and breathe Sachin Tendulkar. To expect the remaining players in the team to remain oblivious to the maestro's impending retirement would border on the puerile, but one would hope that the excessive focus on Tendulkar will not impede India in its quest for a series win. Now, how big is the Tendulkar factor really going to prove? Sachin Tendulkar is sure to be the cynosure for the entirety of the series, and no Indian or West Indian player for that matter will begrudge him that. While the Tendulkar innuendo is sure to be overwhelming in the media, the Indian team will have to ensure that they do not lose focus of the game itself. Moreover, the Indian team cannot really give Tendulkar a more memorable parting gift than a series win, can it? The second thing that might be gnawing at Dhoni's mind is whether or not to play Rohit Sharma. While even the tiniest scrap of information on the series will contain at least a morsel of Tendulkar in it, one individual in the team will certainly hope that he is not forgotten. Rohit Sharma came mighty close to earning his test cap 3 years ago, only for fortune to cheat him out of it at the 11th hour. But 3 years after swallowing not one but umpteen pills of disappointment, Rohit will hope that he will not be made to wait much longer. He has certainly proven his mettle in the ODI series against Australia, and Dhoni, whose penchant for gambling is only too well known, is likely to punt on Rohit than on Ajinkya Rahane. Now, the one thing that will not worry MS Dhoni but will certainly worry Darren Sammy is the batting lineup. Run feasts are what the BCCI ordered for the series against Australia. It is highly unlikely that the BCCI will get itself a draught of common sense overnight and decide to go in with slightly more competitive pitches for the test series. That being said, India has, apart from Tendulkar, a formidable batting lineup, and the Indian captain is certainly not going to rack his brains about his batting order. But his counterpart cannot afford the luxury. Although batsmen like Darren Bravo and Kieron Powell have shown promise, the batting even today relies overly on Shivnarine Chanderpaul, who is showing no outward signs of his advanced age. Apart from Chanderpaul, no other West Indies batsman has a technical faculty and temperament to bat out long periods, and this will certainly be a key area on which the Caribbeans will have to focus. The one thing that might be eating at Dhoni's mind is Ravindra Jadeja's absence. With Ravindra Jadeja being ruled out of the West Indies series owing to a shoulder strain, it will be interesting to see how Dhoni tackles the key issue of team balance. Jadeja scalped as many as 26 wickets in the series against Australia, and his presence afforded Dhoni the luxury to play 5 specialist batsmen apart from himself in the playing 11. Although Ashwin has proven his skills as a batsman in the past, to count him as an additional batsman borders on the absurd. His 30-run over in the ODI at Mohali notwithstanding, Ishant Sharma is likely to be chosen ahead of Bhuvneshwar Kumar for the Test series. Eden Gardens does not have the reputation for being a rank turner, and Dhoni is sure to stick to the 2-spinner 2-fast bowler combination at Kolkata, but he might be tempted to play an additional spinner at Wankhede.
Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.